Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It is time for this month's Spooky Box Club unboxing. I'm very excited. I look so big next to Josephine whenever I sit forward, but like, it's not quite as bad as it looks. But this month's theme is the Witch's Garden, which I am, as you can imagine, very, very excited for. So we are just gonna get right into it. Open it up and see what we've got. Don't let me down. This theme is perfect, so. Ooh. No way! Okay, hold on. Wait, what do I do? I'm not gonna read this before we've had a look in the box. So right on top, something actually very useful to me. I actually just ordered like a less cool one because I need it for like, cause I'm out walking, but my current skincare makes me like a vampire. Like everything I use on my skin right now, I was like, don't go in the sun! So I need to do something. And it's this really cute little cap. It says Gravedigger on it. It's just like, you know, on the front, it's just like a pretty normal baseball cap, but it says Gravedigger, which is really cute. On the back, it says Spooky, and it's tied up with a cute ribbon. That's adorable. I don't think I can really, with my current hair situation, but that is so convenient. Like, that has come at just the perfect time, because usually I wouldn't really wear like baseball cap type things. It's just not really my style, but it's actually something I need right now, and it's just happened to pop up at the perfect time. I'm too excited, but it's just, I love when things work out like that. So yeah, already pretty pleased. Oh, cute. What's this? We've got something in a little box here. I haven't read it yet. What does it say? Oh, mini hanging apothecary plant vials on jute string. A set of 6 glass vials suspended on string, ready to fill with plant cuttings, air plants, succulents, etc. Oh, what? What? Okay, hang on a darn tootin' moment. Oh, I see. Oh, and then, oh, that is such a cute idea. So you like hang this up on the wall and you can put little plants. And even if you're not like someone who has a green thumb, you could easily put like little mini. They're okay. I shouldn't be allowed things. Yeah, you could put little mini, like fake succulents in there, you know, for the same sort of effect without having to worry about keeping them alive. That is so cute and witchy. I love that. Okay, yep, that is very, like, right up my alley. Okay, next up, what do we got? Ooh, got some tea. Ooh, Blackberry and Mint Tea. So this has spearmint, hibiscus, blackberries, elderberries, rose hips, natural flavors, and berry aromas. Let's just have a little sniff, because that sounds like a really interesting combination. I definitely mostly get the mint, but then there is that other little hint in there. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. I definitely want to try that. That smells amazing. Oh, well, this is delightful. My Gothic Garden, oh, I'll show you it once I've read it. It says, My Gothic Garden Black Flower Collection, a selection of black blooming flower seeds for your garden. Follow the instructions provided inside to grow your own spooky flower patch. Oh, so there's pansy, clear crystal black, sweet William black prince, cornflower black ball, and hollyhock jet black. That's so perfect. Yes, and it's like, it's so hard getting seeds and stuff online, like finding the right ones, making sure they're not scams, and like, just like there's a whole bunch and all the postage and everything, so this is really great. I don't even know, like, I think our landlord wants to sell this house, but he's not gonna like kick us out. Like, you know, like the last time. You remember what happened with our last landlord? Some of you might. It wasn't a good situation. He's not going to do that, but I think he does want to sell this house, so I don't actually know if we're gonna, like, when that's gonna happen, so I don't know if I'll be around in this house for garden season next year, but at least I can grow these in pots no matter where I end up, so. Ooh. What the hell is this? Oh, I see! I thought it was like, I don't know what I thought it was. It just looked very strange. Hold on. So we have a necklace. Oh, it's like that's very heavy. Even the chain's like very like weighty. I like that. And what it is, it's probably gonna be quite hard to see, but it's a mandrake. So it's a cute little mandrake necklace. I love that. I was looking at it from the back and it looked like some sort of like creepy claw of some sort, and I was like, what the hell is this? But then I saw the little front and the little leaf in the face, and it's like a little mandrake. That's so cool. Ooh, that's very unique. Ooh, we have a lollipop. This one is blue and pink. Those used to be like my colors. I used to love baby blue and baby pink together. I even had like, I don't know, it's going way back before YouTube, but I did have baby blue and pink dreads for a while and stuff, and I was so obsessed with that color combination. I do still love it, but yeah. Ooh, looks like this is to go with the tea. But it's, oh, it's fancy. It's not just an ordinary tea strainer, no, no. Okay, so this end is, of course, the tea strainer to use with our wonderful magical blackberry and mint tea. And then on the other end, like the end that dangles over, is like a chunk of amethyst. Well, that's very pretty, and again, just so witchy, so cute. I am kind of living for that, and I have needed something like this, so that is perfect. Ooh, and then finally, we've got a pin. I haven't seen it yet, I've only seen the back, like this. Ooh, ah, that's cool. So it's a scythe, and it says you reap what you sow. That's so cool. I actually need to get my scythe fixed, like it's broken, but I think I need someone to like weld it back together, and I don't really know who I could take a giant like 100-year-old scythe to have it welded back together, so that's something to figure out. But yeah, that's cute. Ooh. Okay, I really enjoyed this box. There were some like really unique ideas and stuff in here. What's this? What's just popped out? Oh, it's just like instructions and possible ideas for the little jars. That was such a cute little unique idea. I really this was good. I really enjoyed this. So, custom made gravedigger cap with ribbon ties. Yes, we did get that, and I am really pumped for it because I've needed something cool. Custom made apothecary plant hanger. Yes, very much enjoy that too. Because you could even put like little dried flowers in it. That would be really cute as well. Oh, yes, very good. Blackberry and mint tea sampler. Yes. Custom made amethyst crystal tea ball infuser. Yes. Dust. And that drink is not nice. What was it? Custom made amethyst crystal tea ball infuser. Yes. I'm sorry. Like, people always go on about like the health benefits of like drinking some apple cider vinegar. So I've tried mixing some in with my apple juice. Not a fan. Can't. Not enjoying it. Custom made my gothic garden flower seeds. Yes, I'm going to tuck these away until it is time. I am very excited. Custom made screaming mandrake necklace. Yes, we did indeed get that. Custom made you reap what you sow scythe pin. Yes. Oh, and bubblegum gourmet lollipop. I do like bubblegum flavors. Yeah, I don't eat lollies often because they're just kind of inconvenient because they take so long to eat. But I do really love bubblegum, so maybe this one I will eventually get to. Oh, well, I very much enjoyed this one. I think this is a good box. What do you think? Oh, yes. Yes, wonderful. Very happy. What do you guys think? I like this a lot. You guys, like, of course, with a theme like that, it was going to be something that I enjoyed. Like, of course it was. So, oh, okay, guys. Well, you know the drill. Please do leave a comment and let me know what you thought. If you're new here, do consider subscribing. We'd love to have you as part of the family. You can check out the channel and see what other types of videos there are, because there's a whole bunch. If you haven't done so yet, I would love it if you could check out my Patreon. It is the best possible way to support this channel and keep me going through all of YouTube's nonsense. So the link will be down in the description if you want to see what that's all about. And I think that's everything. I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.